Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you good? I'm very excited about this new video lesson. Do you want to know what's the lesson about? This week we are talking about your bedroom, okay? I want to know how your bedroom is. You can tell me if your bedroom is big, if it's small, if you have a bed, if you have, I don't know, a shelf, a bookcase, many things. What have you got in your bedroom? Before that, okay, before of my description, it's time to refresh all those prepositions of place. Okay, you remember the dance? Yeah, the hands dance. The hands moves. Let's see, hands up, everybody. Hands down. Clap, clap. Roll, roll. Shake, shake. Ready. Everybody. In, on, under, next to, between, in front of, behind. Very good. One more time. Ready? Your hands? Okay. Prepositions of place. Let's go. In, on, under, next to, between, in front of, behind. Great job. Now we are ready for the description. Let's go now with my bedroom description. Hi class. Today I want to show you my bedroom. It is a big bedroom, as you can see. The walls, okay, the walls are light blue, and the carpet, okay, on the floor, the carpet is dark blue. There are lots of things, as you can see, there are many things. There is a bed next to the bedside table. Can you see the bed and the bedside table? Good. There is a teddy bear on the shelf. Can you see the teddy bear? There are some books, okay, and a robot on the bookcase. There are some books and a robot on the bookcase. There is a brown desk under the window. Can you see the brown desk under the window? Very good. You can say desk or table, okay? But normally in a bedroom, it is a desk. There is a glove on the desk, okay? There is a glove on the desk. There is a lamp cling, on the bedside table. Can you see the lamp on the bedside table? Very good. There are some toys on the floor. There are some toys on the floor. And finally, there is a book, there is an open book on my bed. I was reading. Fantastic. I love my room. Do you like your room? Now it's your turn, please. Go to the Google form, okay? Answer the questions about my bedroom, and after that, okay, if you have time and energy, you can take a picture of your bedroom and write some lines, okay? Write 5 lines describing your bedroom. Hi, Sir Oscar. My bedroom is big. My bedroom is small. The walls are blue. The walls are red. Okay, all the information, all that you want to say about your room. I want to know. Tell me. Thanks a lot for watching and listening to me, okay? And see you in my next lesson. Bye bye.